Hey everybody, 11:05, 20 seconds. Friday, May 10th is the joint for yet another Iron Man 55. Pretty crazy. I haven't had one in probably a year, and I think I've had like 7 copies in the past like 3 weeks. Um, Still more to come, I assure you. So if you don't win this one, you could try on another. So over here are the 30 filled spots. Let's roll the 3 dice. Numbers, a big number, 16. I'm going to randomize 16 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I should be able to get it out in today's mail. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here comes the final one. 16, spot 10, Rob Peak. Congratulations. Rob, I believe you won the last copy, or one of the last copies, maybe 3 copies ago. Time is 11:06, 32 seconds.